Hello everyone, I am Dilip HK, studying MSc in Computer Science at Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. I am going to explain the topic of topologies in computer network. Let us see the definition of topology. Network topology is the schematic description of a network arrangement connecting various nodes, that is sender and receiver, through lines of connection. In other words, a system can be communicated with the help of communication links, and that everything the communication links and that communication element can be arranged in the form of topology. Then let us see what are all the types of topology. There are 6 types of topologies. They are bus, ring, star, mesh, tree and hybrid topology. Let us understand the each topologies in detail one by one. The first one is bus topology. In bus topology, there is a main cable and all the devices are connected to this main cable through drop lines. In this topology, all the data is transmitted over a main cable. Then it transmits data only in one direction. Every device is connected to a single cable because each computer communicates to other computer on a network independently. The independent referred as peer-to-peer communication. The diagrammatic representation of topology as shown in the figure. Advantages are it is easy to understand because easy to expand joining two cables together. Then it works well for small networks. Then cable required is least compared to other topology. Then easy to installation because each cable needs to be connected with backbone cable. Disadvantages are cable has a limited length. If main cable fails, then whole network fails. That is, all devices depend on main cable. Then it is slower than the ring topology. Then management cost can be high because we have to use capacity of wire, means all the system are used to same capacity of wires. This is about bus topology. The second one is ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected with the two devices on either side of it. There are two dedicated point-to-point links. Then it forms a ring topology. The transmission is unidirectional, but it can be made bidirectional by having two connections between each network node is called dual ring topology. Data is transferred in a sequential manner, that is bit by bit. The diagrammatic representation of ring topology as shown in the figure. Advantages are easy to install because it is not a complex structure. Then it is more reliable network because the communication system is not dependent on the single host computer. Then managing is easier to add or remove devices from the topology. Disadvantages are data traffic issue. Since all the data is circulating in a ring, it occurs data traffic issue. Then a link failure can fail the entire network as the signal will not travel forward due to failure. Then communication delay is directly proportional to the number of nodes. Adding new devices increases communication delay. The next one is star topology. In star topology, each device in the network is connected to a central device called hub, that is router or switch, etc. Then star topology doesn't allow direct communication between devices. If one device wants to send the data to other devices, it has to first send the data to hub and then transmit that data to the designated devices. Then a device must have to communicate through hub. Then every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. The diagrammatic representation of star topology as shown in the figure. Advantages are easy to install, then less expensive because each device only need one input port and need to be connected with hub with one link. Then easy fault detection because the link can be easily identified. Then robust, it means if one link fails, other link will work just fine. Disadvantages are if hub fails, it affects all system. That is main drawback of this topology. None of the device can work without hub. Performance is based on hub, that it is depend on its capacity. Cost of installation is high, then expensive to use. This is about star topology. The next one is mesh topology. In mesh topology, each device is connected to every other devices on the network through a dedicated point-to-point link. Dedicated means the link only carries data for the two connected devices only. Mesh has n into n minus 1 by 2 physical channels to link n devices. In mesh topology, there are two techniques to transmit data over mesh topology: routing and flooding. In routing, the nodes have a routing logic as per the network requirements, like routing logic to direct the data to reach the destination using the shortest distance. Then flooding. In flooding, the same data is transmitted to all the network nodes, hence no routing logic is required. The diagrammatic representation of topology as shown in the figure. Advantages are each connection can carry its own data load, then no data traffic issue as there is a dedicated link between two devices, which means the link is only available for those two devices. Reliable and robust, as failure of one link doesn't affect the other link and the communication between other devices on the network. Then provides security and privacy. Disadvantages are installation and configuration is difficult because of its complex structure. Then cabling cost is more. Then bulk wiring is required. This is about mesh topology. The next topology is tree topology. It has a root node and all other nodes are connected to form hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have 3 levels to the hierarchy as shown in the figure, that is core layer, distribution layer and access layer. Then ideal if workstation are located in groups. It is used to wide area network, that means WAN. The diagrammatic representation of tree topology as shown in the figure. Advantages are extension of bus and star topologies. It is combination of bus and star topologies. Expansion of nodes is possible and easy because of its better flexibility. Then error detection is easily done. Then it provides high scalability as leaf nodes can add more nodes in the hierarchical chain. Disadvantages are heavily cabled because each devices need to be connected with other devices. Number of input ports required must be huge. It is costly. It requires more cable. Maintenance is difficult because more and more nodes and segments are added, the maintenance becomes difficult. Then central hub fails, network fails. It is all about tree topology. The last topology is hybrid topology, a combination of two or more topology is known as hybrid topology. Example, combination of star and mesh topology. Then hybrid topology is a connection between different links and nodes to transfer the data. Example, if there exists a ring topology in one branch of SBI Bank and bus topology in another branch of SBI Bank, connected, these two topologies will result in hybrid topology. The diagrammatic representation of hybrid topology as shown in the figure. Advantages are reliable, as error detecting and troubleshooting is easy, because if a fault occurring in any part of a network will not affect the functioning of the rest of the network. Then scalable, as size can be increased easily, that means expanded by adding new devices without affecting the functionality of existing network. Then flexible, this topology is very flexible as it can be designed according to requirement of the organization. Then it is effective. The disadvantages are complex design, so its maintenance is high expensive. Then costly infrastructure. Then fault detection is difficult, and then installation is difficult. This is about hybrid topology. Thank you.